Johar. Let's pay our homage to the martyrs of the Santhal tribe who fought with the Britishers till their last breath. Also, let us know about the Santhal rebellion which was started 165 years ago on 30th June. Santhal rebellion, also known as Santhal Hul, was started against the British colonial authority as well as the zamindari system by the four brothers of the Murmu clan, Sidhu, Kanu, Chand and Vairab, along with their sisters Phulo and Jano on 30th June 1855. Let's know why this rebellion was started. The Santhal tribe used to live and depend on forest for their livelihood. In the year 1832, the British demarcated the Damini Ko region, which was preoccupied by the Malto or the Paharia tribe. And they encouraged the Santhals to clear the forest and settle as farmers and cattle grazers in the region. Due to promise of land and economic amenities, a large number of Santhals came to settle from Cuttack, Dalbhum, Manbhum, Hazaribagh, Midnapur, etc. Soon, Mahajans and Zamindars as tax collecting intermediaries deployed by British dominated the economy. Many Santhals became victims of the corrupt money lending practices. They were lent money at higher rates, and when they were unable to repay, their lands were forcefully taken and they were forced into bonded labor. Damini Ko is a Persian word meaning the skirts of the hill, and it constitutes the present-day forested hilly area of Rajmahal Hills, broadly constituting the area of present-day Sahibganj, Pakur and Gauda district in the state of Jharkhand. On 30th June 1855, about 10,000 Santhals assembled in a field in Bhognadi, the birthplace of the tribal leaders Sidhu, Kanu, Bhairav, Chand, Jano and Phulo. They declared themselves as free and took oath under the leadership of Sidhu and Kanu to fight against the British rulers as well as their agents. With bows and arrows, spears and axes and other hunting weapons, the Santhal tribe attacked the landlords, moneylenders and petty traders. Storehouse and granaries were looted and burned to flames. Meanwhile, Phulo and Jano ran into the enemy camp of soldiers during the dark hours and eliminated 21 soldiers with their axes. The group wanted to reach the British headquarters in Kolkata, but beyond Maheshpur they could not proceed. The Santhals initially gained some success, but soon the British found out a new way to tackle these rebels. They forced them to come out of the forest. In a conclusive battle which followed, the British, equipped with modern firearms and war elephants, stationed themselves at the foot of the hill. When the battle began, the British officers ordered their troops to fire without loading bullets. The Santhals, who did not suspect this trap set by the British war strategy, charged with full potential. This step proved to be disastrous for them. As soon as they neared the foothills, the British army attacked with full power, and this time they were using bullets. The leader, Sidhu and Kanu, were arrested and executed. It is estimated that over 10,000 Santhals laid down their lives for freedom and identity. Every year in the memory of the martyrs, Hul Divas is celebrated on 30th June. Also, a Sahid Mela is organized in Bhognadi, which has a national level importance to pay respect to the Hul heroes. Thank you.